Okay, let me okay, go right to question 28 of the Shenley textbook. Okay, it says a class has between 30 to 40 students. Each boy in the class brings 15 chocolate bars for a class party. Okay, so each boy in the class bring 15. Okay, let number of boys be B. Okay, B is number of boys. So then they say each boy bring 15 chocolate bars to class party, right? So total number of chocolate bar that's available, 15B. Agree, right?
Mm-hmm.
You agree 15B?
Yes.
Okay. Then number of girls is 20. Okay. Then one form teacher. Okay. No leftovers lah. Okay. The 15B chocolate bars is shared equally among 21 people, isn't it? So number of girls and form teacher is 21. So, okay. Since total number of chocolate bars are shared equally among all the girls and form teacher. Okay. Okay. So 21. So prime factorization of 21, right, is 3 times 7. Prime factorization, right, of 15 is 3 times 5. Okay. Then, so number of chocolate bars, that each girl receive, right, will be 15B divided by 3 times 7, or 3 times 5 times B over 3 times 7. So it's 5B over 7. Agree? The 3 can strike out. So number of chocolate bars that each girl receive is 5B over 7. Okay. But they want number of students in the class. Okay, no leftover. So number of boys is B, total number of chocolate bar is 15B. Then chocolate bar shared equally among 21. So no leftover, right?
No.
Okay. So your 5B over 7 is equal to K. K is a constant. Okay.
Okay.
Then shared equally among 20 girls and a form teacher. So 21. So 21. Okay. 15B. No leftovers. How many students are there in the class? Okay, from this on, okay, from this on, you can guess on your B must be 7 in order for K to be 5. You get what I mean? Because it has to be prime number, ma. Your B and K must be nice number, right?
Yeah.
So you can deduce your B is 7, K is 5. Understand the logic? You understand the logic?
Yes.
Okay. So if B is 7, or K is 5, right? Okay, then you work backwards. Can number of boys be 7? If number of boys is 7, or girls is 20, right? Then altogether, whole class is 27. But cannot be more. Cannot be more. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So your B must be the next multiple of 7. Okay? Okay? So I'm going to
Yeah.
erase this part. Okay? Because of, okay, when B is 7, right? Total student, total number of student, boys and girls, 27. Okay, since class has 30 to 40 student, right? Therefore, B cannot be 7. Okay? So B must be the next multiple of 7. 14. So when B is 14, right? Total number of students, right? Will be 14 plus 20, 34. It makes sense, 30 to 40 students. So number of boys is 14. Understand this part.
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, number of boys, but they want number of students. Okay, number of students 34. That one settled already. Okay, how many chocolate bar does their form teacher receive? So total chocolate bar,
15 times 14.
yes. Okay, this is some value lah. 15 times 14. Let's work out what it is first. Okay, 210. Then 210, right? Divide by, okay, number of chocolate bars each person receive would be, okay, number of chocolate bars,
Divided by 21.
yes, number of chocolate bars that each receive lah. 210 divided by 21, 10 lor. The teacher received 10, 10 chocolate bar lor. Okay,
Okay.
this part clear already.
Yes.
Okay, after lesson, please reattempt. Okay, your question 26, 27, you reattempt can do all.
Yeah.
Okay, I suggest 26, 27, right? Please reattempt again before your WA. Guarantee come out one. Then before your WA, I'll ask you to do review exercise 1 or so. But right now, I'm going to move on to chapter 2. Chapter 2, I'm sure your school already teach finish already, right?
Yeah.
Integers, negative numbers, absolute value, etc.
We are
All
on
this you
three now.
yeah. Okay, chapter 2, you have any questions you want to ask?
I feel like confused with like the decimal points and like the dots above it.
Okay, let's say practice now 1A, page 33 of your textbook. Practice now 1A, you want to try the question, see you're able to get it correct. Then after that, if wrong, I will explain to you. I give you some time to do practice now 1A. You take your time and do. Once you finish, you let me know. Page 33, practice now 1A. Okay, I believe your textbook is right in front of you. Then yeah, the question from the given numbers -5, 2020, 0, negative half, etc. Then they ask you to list the numbers that are positive integers, so on and so forth. Basically, this question is help you to understand, right, the difference between integers and numbers. Okay. After you do 1A, if you can do it correctly, you should have an understanding what's the difference between an integer and numbers. Yeah. I'll use the question to explain to you. What does it mean by integer and what does it mean by numbers? Basically, integers are numbers, but not all numbers are integers. Okay? Okay? Integers are numbers, but not all numbers are integers. Okay? Later I explain further. You try first, see you're able to do or not. If you can do, then I know you understand. I pause the recording first, because you're doing, let you know. Okay, 1A answer key is here. Okay, 1A part 1. Okay, 2020 and 6. You got it correct?
2020. Yeah.
You got it correct? So 2 is -5 and -17. Okay, I write the answer here. If wrong, you highlight to me. Okay, you got it correct.
I didn't add the. Oh wait, that's a different one.
You got all correct for 1, 2, 3, 4. Question 1. That don't have 1A just question 1. Oh.
For the last one, I didn't put -5.
Oh, why?
-17.
Negative whole number negative numbers So these are all negative numbers Numbers means everything Integer means integer means whole number. Okay, these are integer Okay, these are positive integer. So negative integer will be like that Okay, to negative infinity positive infinity. Okay, these are positive integer, negative integer. Clear so far? Okay, numbers means numbers can include decimal, fraction, everything under the sun. Okay. Because they say numbers, not whole numbers. Integers means whole numbers. You know the difference, Integers means whole numbers. Okay? Whole numbers Okay, numbers, not whole numbers Numbers means everything under the sun. Everything under the sun. Everything means all real numbers. Okay, numbers means all the real numbers under the sun, which include your decimal, your fraction, etc. Okay. Your surds also surds are also considered numbers. Okay clear so far. Question 1.
Yeah.
Okay, question 2, I give you answer right away. Okay, 2A, I'll just write the answer on the screen, then you compare. Then you tell me right or wrong. Wrong, please highlight. Okay, correct?
Yeah.
All correct?
Yeah.
Great. So at least you are clear. Okay, now you try practice now 1B. Same thing, practice now 1B. You finish, you let me know. I pause the video also. Yeah. Okay, I'll go through the answer with you. Exercise 1B. Okay, exercise 1B, question 1. Okay, 1A, the answer already given. So 1B would be like this. C will be like this. D is like this. You got it right?
Yeah.
Okay, then they ask you to arrange from smallest to greatest, right? So question 2, the answer is -5, -3.8, -1.5, 0, 3/4, 1.666, and 4. You got it right?
Yeah.
Okay, all these you have no problem. Huh? Okay, I'm going to move on to page 37. Okay, page 37, you quickly do practice now 1C. You finish all the questions, you let me know. Okay, I pause the recording again. Okay, 1C, right? Okay, practice now 1C, question A is -9, B is -16. Okay, C first. C is -94. D is -115. You got it correct?
Yes.
All correct,
Yes.
If all correct, let's move on already. Because all this you learn in school already. I let you do without teaching you is to assess whether you have any misconception. But if you can do, that means chances are your concept is correct. Yeah. I'm using the question to assess your ability to do the question. Just let you know. In case you're wondering, I can't keep giving you question but never teach you anything because I'm assessing whether which are the part you don't understand. Okay, practice now 2, same thing, page 38. Page 38, practice now 2, same thing, you do first. Then later I show you the answer. Okay, this is practice now 2. Okay, practice now 2. Okay, A is 5, B is 28. C is 4, D is 23. You got it right?
Yeah.
All correct. Okay,
Yes.
if all correct, you move to practice now 3, same thing. I hope to cover 2C and 2D tonight. Then that's the entire chapter 2 already. Then you can do all the chapter 2 exercises as homework, which is a lot of questions. Because you won't be seeing me for at least 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks. You have ample time to do during Chinese New Year. Okay, now we are going through practice now 7C, chapter 2, practice now 7C, question 2. Okay, they ask you to write down a positive and negative multiple of the following numbers. So a positive multiple of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Okay. Then negative multiple will be of 2 will be -2, -4, -6, -8, etc. But they want a positive and a negative, right? So any of these answer. That's why it's an open question. You understand the logic,
Yeah.
Okay, let's say -6. positive multiple of negative 6. Okay, positive multiples of negative 6 will be 12, 6, 18, etc. So negative multiple of negative 6 would be negative 6 itself. Negative multiple. Hold on. Negative multiple would be this. Positive multiple, right, would be the negative 6. Because they want positive multiple. That means negative 6 times a positive number. Negative multiple of negative 6 means negative multiple of negative 6 is 12. Okay, you get you're able to understand this or can understand. Yeah, okay. Any more questions?
No.
Okay, if no question, you do practice now 8A. Then I pause the recording first until I show you my working.